for taking pictures of grasshoppers.
Nilalayo ko lang, nalapitan mo naman. Huwag masyadong malapit, anak ko. Okay na yan. Huwag ka nang lumapit.
I gotta go and get it out from my workshop is what I gotta do.
Ganyan lang. Para huwag masyadong, makikita mo naman eh.
Maybe 2 tiffies?
Ano kailangan lapitan yan, anak ko?
Oh, goody. We're gonna get your picture taken, Wilbur. Wilbur? Where'd you go?
Wow!
The upslide. Oh, no!
Hala, in-stylean mo na naman na lumapit ka na naman.
And we better do it before the professor gets back.
Kalikot mo naman kasi.
Wants to get a picture of Wilbur. Will you help us catch Wilbur? You will?
Hot dog, come on. Let's get some mouse-catoons. The mouse-cadoor. And don't forget, it's grasshopper day, so we gotta hop, hop, hop.
Yan naman, binabaliktad mo lahat, anak. Patay